Hi everyone, welcome back! In this video, we're covering the Attachment Control Center. If your Confluence instance has lots of old files, large attachments, duplicate uploads, unused images, this tool helps you find them, filter them, download them, and delete them safely from one place. And it also includes analytics and delete logs, so you can manage attachments like an admin tool, not like a manual cleanup project. It becomes hard to answer basic questions like, which space has the most attachments? Who uploaded the biggest files? Which file types take the most storage? So instead of hunting attachments manually, we'll manage everything from one dashboard with filters, preview, bulk actions, and audit logs. The Attachment Manager gives you a searchable table of attachments across spaces and pages. Filters for space, file type, version, uploaded by, date range, and size tags like small, large. Quick actions, preview, download, and delete. Bulk actions, download selected as a zip and delete selected. And for safety, deletion can be controlled by settings, only allowed if admins enable it or the viewer is an admin. Now let's walk through the workflow. Search, filter, preview, bulk download, and delete with logs. Start with the search bar at the top. You can search across file name, space, page, uploader, version, date, even the size tag like small or large. Click Filters to open the filter panel. Now you can narrow down by space, file type, version, uploaded by, and date range. Once your list is narrowed down, you can quickly review files before taking action. To preview an attachment, click the eye icon. Images open directly in a preview modal. If a file type can't be previewed, you still get a clean fallback with a download button. To download a single file, click the download icon. Now let's do the power workflow, selecting multiple attachments for bulk download or bulk delete. Step 3, bulk select, bulk delete, zip download. Use the checkboxes to select files, or select all visible rows from the table head. Once you've selected files, you'll see a bulk action bar. Download selected, which downloads everything as a zip. Delete selected for cleanup. And clear selection. When you delete, a confirmation modal appears so you don't delete by mistake. And the best part, every delete is recorded so admins can review what changed. Every deletion creates a log entry with file name, space, page, deleted by, and date selected. And deletion permission can be controlled by settings, so only admins or allowed users can delete. This keeps cleanup safe, auditable, and controlled, even when multiple people use the tool. That's it for the Attachment Manager. Search and filters, previews, zip downloads, bulk delete, analytics, and delete logs. All designed to keep Confluence storage clean and manageable. See you in the next video.